as it's got the Amazon Alexa assistant built in. In the app, you'll need to set it up first by logging into your Amazon account, and then the app gives you an examples of what you can ask Alexa. Let's test it. Alexa, how are you, darling? And she replied, I'm feeling poetic. It takes around 10 seconds to answer your question. Obviously, your ID206 and your smartwatch have to be connected via Bluetooth. Alexa, what's the weather today? So it's 12 degrees of Celsius today. Okay, let's try something different. Alexa, what are we cooking today? Okay, I recommend easy chocolate fudge cake from BBC Good Food. Not exactly what I got in mind. The Alexa assistant can also be triggered by press and hold the crown button on the side for a few seconds. That's obviously another way of accessing the Alexa assistant if you don't want to go through the entire menu. SpO2 blood oxygen saturation. This is not an automatic function, it's on request, so you'll have to trigger it manually. SpO2, which is also known as oxygen saturation, is a measure of the amount of oxygen carrying hemoglobin in the blood relative to the amount of hemoglobin not carrying oxygen. There's the stress level monitor. Stress scores, guided breathing, and mindfulness are all becoming key features in ID206. Sleep tracking. It measures light sleep and a deep sleep. It doesn't track a daytime sleep as more expensive watches and trackers do. Only measures the nighttime sleep. It is okay unless someone working night shifts, then the sleep tracking won't work correctly. Deep breathing exercises to reduce potential anxiety by exercising deep diaphragmatic or abdominal breathing, allowing your lungs to expand and creating negative pressure that drives air in through the nose and mouth, filling your lungs with air. It's best to perform the exercise seated with your back straight. However, you can perform it while lying in bed or during yoga. In ID206, every time you receive a notification like a call, SMS, app message from Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, LinkedIn, Skype, etc., it vibrates to alert you to avoid missing any important news. The notification for incoming